Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make amazing ginger shots without a juicer. Yes, you heard right. You don't need a juicer in order to make these beautiful antioxidant, immune boosting ginger shots. So stick around as we get into the recipe and we get into the know-how. So if you like today's episode, like and subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel out a lot. And let me know which one of these flavors you prefer, and let me know if you have additional recipes that maybe I need to consider. So stick around as we get into it. The first ginger shot is this beautiful orange turmeric, cayenne pepper or paprika ginger shot. Oh God, absolutely delicious. Nutritious, boosting with vitamin C. So if you're looking for something to boost your immune system, this ginger shot is fantastic. So how do we make it? Well, traditionally ginger shots are made using a juicer, right? But who's got $1,000 to spend in this economy and this economic climate to start doing, ginger shots? And also, there's a lot of wastage that comes with a juicer. So there's a lot of waste product. So it may take 5 or 6 oranges to give you a shot of a ginger shot for this juice. How economical is that? How sustainable is that? And how eco-friendly is that for our planet? And wasting a lot of food in a climate where food security is a big deal, especially here in South Africa. So I would suggest using this recipe. It is so simple. All you need is a blender and a strainer. You can use a strainer that you use for tea leaves or coffee, and you'll see how we use it very quickly. So in terms of the recipe, what you're going to do is you're going to get your NutriBullet out, or any blender that you have. I would put in a thumb size or half a thumb size of ginger. Ginger is excellent for anti-inflammatory, fighting inflammation, soothing a stomach. I mean, recently I had gastritis, and ginger, I was sipping on ginger tea the whole day and drinking these shots, as many as I could get in a day. So I highly recommend ginger shots if you want to have something that is different. There's a rainbow selection. You can go buck wild with the different flavors. So you get your NutriBullet, you put your half a thumb size of ginger, you put in half a glass of orange juice. You can put in a mix of apple juice if you want something a little bit, sweeter, because orange juice can be quite sharp and citrusy. And then you add a shot of turmeric powder. You could use turmeric extract, or you could even use turmeric root if you can find that in your local grocer. Put that in, blend that for about 30 seconds to a minute. Take that out, put it into a strainer. Strain out that juice. You've got a turmeric shot. And what I do is I put a boost of paprika or a little bit of cayenne pepper. And what that does is it just gives it a kick to kickstart your metabolism. I can take this in the morning before a workout or after a workout if you want to replenish a lot of those electrolytes. And ginger is awesome for inflammation, especially for joints. And when you are actually doing muscle recovery after a strenuous workout. So I highly recommend it. I love this one. Oh, it's so lovely. So the next ginger shot that we're going to look at is this green goo. Yes, it looks a bit gooey, but I promise you it is absolutely delicious. In here, you can put in some apple. I put in some apple juice, celery. You can add in moringa powder if you'd like a little twist, whatever, floats your boat. You can put in a little bit of mint extract, a little bit of mint leaves to flavor it and, make it more palatable and enjoyable. So it really is up to you. Yummy. So you're going to follow the same steps that I did with the first ginger shot, right? Now what we're going to do is I chopped in some celery. I put in some baby spinach because the baby spinach is actually sweeter than normal spinach. And then we add a little bit of apple juice. You can add orange juice if you'd like. Blitz it all together with your ginger. Again, the ginger is a consistent and the key ingredient because it is a ginger shot. Blitz it all together. strain it with your tea strainer, and again, you have a beautiful shot. The thing with these juices is that you want to use it immediately. If you put it in the fridge, I promise you what happens is it starts to separate. Look, that's one of the downsides of not having a professional or normal juicer. But even with a juicer, your juice becomes flat after a couple of hours and starts separating from, you know, the core ingredients of what you put in. So celery is excellent for your stomach, for overall health. Baby spinach, you're getting in your vitamin K, folic acid, which is good as for females especially. So this is also a great ginger shot to try out. You can use kale if you'd like. So again, a lot of ideas with this one. The next one, my favorite color, pink, although this is more like a blood orange, reddish kind of vibe. So this is a beetroot ginger shot. So, you know, beetroot can be very messy and can stain your clothing. So I tend to shy away from using beetroot as in the full fruit or vegetable. You know, I mean, you could boil it, you can slice it, cool it down, and then use it in your NutriBullet. But what I tend to do is, there's this beetroot powder or beetroot extract, which is available from your health shops. And you just need a teaspoon of that. I put that in with my ginger again, the apple juice, blitz it all together, and boom, you've got this beautiful beetroot ginger shot. It's a little bit more thickish. So what I would do is, when you're putting in your liquids, make sure you put enough liquids to get the consistency that you like. I like a mix of having a bit of chunky and a bit of the liquid side of it, because it really makes me feel like I'm having a shot of something that is nutritious and wholesome. You can just filter out all of the juice, all of the heavy ingredients if you want to. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I love this. I think you can play around with this. You can put in apple juice, you can put in orange juice, you can even use orange juice. It doesn't dilute the color. The beetroot will just overshadow it, but it's so tasty. You can even put a squeeze of lemon in the morning. It cleanses your stomach. Really, really good. The last scary looking shot, and probably the most detoxifying shot of them all, is the activated charcoal shot. So let me just open here. Ooh, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but the activated charcoal shot is pretty phenomenal. Oh, delicious. So what you do is, again, in your NutriBullet, you're going to put your half thumb size or even a thumb size of ginger, add a teaspoon of activated charcoal. Make sure it is food grade, medicinal grade. Add that in with your apple juice or orange juice, blitz that all together, strain it, and you've got your ginger shot, your activated charcoal ginger shot. Now what's awesome about charcoal is that it is a natural detoxifying agent. It will bind to all the negative bacteria and maybe fungi that you might have in your gut. It removes it and you pass it out. So you know, don't be scared by the color. It is fantastic. It is not as nasty as it looks, I promise you, but it is delicious. If you add in apple juice, you can even add in a little bit of honey if you'd like, squeeze of lemon if you want, flavor it to your liking, and have that on a daily basis. So you can have one every day. You can change the color so it's not boring. And these are my ginger shots, guys. I think it is fabulous. I think as we approach summer here in South Africa, this is a great alternative to you know, what you find in the stores. Some of them have preservatives in order to ensure shelf life. Here you can have a fresh batch in the morning when you wake up, and it's much cheaper and it's organic. If you know, completely buy your organic vegetables and fruit, and you have more control of the nutrients that are getting into your body. So I hope you liked today's episodes. Again, like and subscribe to my channel, comment, check me out on social media. I have my own blog and my own website at natassiar1.com, and always open to suggestion, guys. So I'm here to make sure that we live our best lives and we grow together. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Until next time, enjoy, guys.